Interlocking pavers are made out of the same concrete material that is porous, so it can easily get stained by oil, wine spilled on it, anything leaking from a car, or just, debris in your yard. So to protect that, you can apply a sealer to the concrete. There are different types penetrating that will get deep in there, or a film protection that basically goes as a layer over the concrete. Depending on if you're doing a driveway, a pathway, or a pool deck, there are different materials that can be used, but they do extend the life of the surface, just protecting it from debris or, again, oil or wine getting into that. Once it's stained, it will be near impossible to clean that or get it out.